When measuring your door aperture, ensure to use structural opening sizes. If you have a door fitted currently, imagine the whole door frame is removed and take those measurements. Take 3 measurements of the width at the top, middle and bottom of the opening. Note the smallest measurement. Do the same with the height. Measure both sides and centre of the opening again, noting the smallest measurement. No matter your door opening, we have a security door for you. If our stock door size isn't perfectly suited to your opening, we suggest you purchase an infill panel to bridge the gap. If you need a door smaller in height, we offer a height reduction service too. If our stock door and panel combination still won't work, we have the option to manufacture a bespoke door. Our security trim kit is recommended with all security installations to protect the fixings from attack, but also as a quick and easy way to finish your door. Check out the full range of our doors, locks and accessories on our website.